This month, car manufacturers are rolling out some eye-popping cashback incentives, signaling an increase in inventory and competition in the market. If you're looking to snag a deal on a new car, this is the time to act. Some vehicles are offering rebates as high as 10 grand. Today, we're going to break down the top 10 vehicles with the largest cashback rebates for November, along with the pros and cons of each to help you decide if one of these models is right for you. Beginning with the 2024 Lincoln Navigator, $10,000 cash back. Luxury meets spaciousness in this vehicle. Now it's offering $10,000 in cashback rebates. Here are your pros and cons of this vehicle if it interests you. Premium interior. You got high quality materials and cutting edge technology, elevating every ride, powerful engines, delivering smooth acceleration and plenty of towing capability, and a very spacious cabin, seats up to 8. With generous cargo space. On the downside, just to be fair, it is pricey, even with rebates, still among the most expensive SUVs in its class. Fuel efficiency is below average for a large SUV, and the large size can be challenging to park and maneuver in tight spaces, but that should not surprise you based on what it looks like. Next, a 2024 Hyundai Ionic 5. It's an electric vehicle, $7,500 in cash back. This award-winning EV crossover continues to impress with bold design and cutting-edge features. Here are your pros and cons for this one. A striking design, futuristic aesthetics set it apart in this EV market. Fast charging. It can charge from 10 to 80% in as little as 18 minutes with a DC fast charger. Spacious interior offers plenty of passenger and cargo space for a compact EV. Although it does have a limited range on the base models, higher trims are necessary for competitive mileage. Here are your cons, just to be fair. Limited range on the base models. Higher trims are necessary for competitive mileage. Infotainment system quirks. Touch-sensitive controls may not be for everyone. And the ride quality, slightly firmer than some competitors. Your 2024 Chrysler Pacifica plug-in hybrid, $7,500 in cash back. A practical and eco-friendly family vehicle with a touch of luxury. Here are your pros. The PHEV capabilities offers up to 32 miles of all-electric range. Very family-focused design, sliding doors, plenty of storage, a roomy third row, and has a high safety rating packed with advanced driver assistance features to keep you with a peace of mind there. The cons, higher price, costs more than standard minivans even with the incentives, but hey, $7,500 in cash back is $7,500 in cash back. Slower charging, relatively long recharge time on a standard home outlet, and the cargo space, less room in the back compared to non-hybrid competitors. You got your Lexus RX Electric, $7,500 in cash back. This is Lexus's first dedicated EV, which blends luxury and sustainability. Your premium materials are one of the big pros. Quiet, refined cabin with Lexus's hallmark craftsmanship, smooth driving dynamics, standard all-wheel drive. Pretty good for an EV, right? Although the shorter range falls behind rivals like the Tesla Model Y, high price tag, expensive even with rebates, and limited availability. May be hard to find at local dealerships, but you can always use quotes.everymandriver.com to narrow down the areas. The 2024 Jeep Grand Cherokee 4xe, it's a plug-in hybrid, $7,500 in cash back there. A capable off-road SUV that offers a greener driving option. It's got off-road readiness, trail rated with rugged capabilities. PHEV option with 25 miles of electric-only range for daily commutes, that's nice. And a luxurious interior, high-end materials, and advanced tech. On the downside, it's heavy. The additional hybrid components add noticeable weight. Expensive trims, fully loaded models can cost significantly more. And a mediocre all-electric range, as mentioned, 25, could be better for a plug-in hybrid. Your 2024 Jeep Wrangler 4xe, plug-in hybrid, also $7,500 in cash back. The Wrangler 4xe combines legendary off-road prowess with plug-in hybrid efficiency. Your pros here, an iconic design, rugged and unmistakable styling, eco-friendly adventuring, electric-only mode for shorter trips, yes. Strong resale value. Wranglers historically hold their value well. On the downside, some say a firm ride, not as comfortable as other SUVs on paved roads. Limited range, here it is, just 21 miles of electric-only range, if that matters to you, and some pricey upgrades. Here's a non-traditional 2023 Ford E-Transit Electric. $7,500 cash back here. This electric van is perfect for businesses looking to go green. So you got eco-friendly workhorse here, versatile cargo space, government incentives, although shorter range, limited to 126 miles on a full charge. Charging infrastructure still catching up with commercial use and high upfront costs. Even with incentives, it is an investment. Back to normal cars here, 2024 Hyundai Ionic 6 Electric, $7,500 cash back here. This sleek Ionic 6 brings futuristic design and impressive efficiency to the EV sedan market. You've got an aerodynamic design, fast charging, tech-forward interior. A dual 12-inch screen creates a digital cockpit experience for you. Now, on the downside, rear headroom, sloping roofline compromises space for taller passengers. Limited cargo and premium trims are pricier. The best features do come at a cost. The 2024 Kia EV9, $7,500 cash back there. This is Kia's new 3-row electric SUV, setting a higher bar for family EVs. Roomy and versatile, sharp styling, loaded with tech. Although pricey, unproven reliability, it's new. And charging network dependency, heavily reliant on fast chargers for longer trips. Then you have the 2025 Hyundai Ionic 6. $7,500 cash back here too. The 2025 model improves on Hyundai's already impressive electric sedan. You got an enhanced range, expected to push the limits for EV sedans, sleek design, and upgraded tech. Early pricing is uncertain because final costs may still shift. Rear visibility might be an issue. Sloping design limits your sight lines. And again, charging availability dependent on infrastructure for extended trips. Take advantage of these deals with quotes.everymandriver.com. If you're ready to cash in on these incredible rebates, don't miss out on your chance to save big. Visit that website to access real-time dealer pricing on these vehicles and others. It's free, easy, and helps thousands of people every day like yourself find the lowest prices on new and used cars, SUVs, and trucks. Why pay more when you can save hundreds, possibly thousands, on your next vehicle? Start your search today and drive home with confidence. There's also a direct link below this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with the latest insights from the automotive world. Hope to see you next time. Today's video is brought to you by The Cold Plunge. Use discount code DAVE150 at checkout at thecoldplunge.com. Immediately save $150 off your purchase. That's DAVE150 at thecoldplunge.com. There's also a link below this video.